Hey, I'm Dr. Mike with Physio Orthopedics and Performance, and today I want to talk to you about a few exercises you can do if you're a forefoot or a midfoot runner. That being that while you're running, the first thing that actually hits the ground is either the front of your foot or the middle of your foot. The first exercise we're going to talk about is actually an eccentric inverted calf raise. So you'll come into standing, you'll bring your toes in together, and you're going to come up on two and very slowly lower yourself down. I think it should take you about 5 seconds to go from the top and lower yourself to the bottom. If that gets too easy, you can take a different route where you'll go up with 2 and actually go down with 1. And again, if that gets even easier, you can start adding weight in your hands to make that more difficult. The same applies for the next exercise. It's an eccentric calf raise, but we're going to do it with our knees bent. Focuses more on the soleus muscle. You're going to go up with 2, slowly lower. Should get you about 5 seconds to get to the bottom. If that gets too easy, you can convert it to only doing it on 1 foot. And if that's even easy, then you can start increasing weight. If you want to know more about your specific running gait, strike pattern, joint angles, tissue activation, you can schedule us on Physio Orthopedics and Performance. We're now offering gait evaluations. Take a look online, reach out if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.